Professional and motivational speaker Carl Jones shows you and your organization how to gain professional and personal growth through relationship building and goal setting.
Being a team player on its deepest level is managing your emotions and translating them into effective communication with the group. What does being a team player mean? Nowhere in that definition does it say that you have to love the person that is on your team. Nowhere in that definition does that say that you have to be best friends.
Speaking to organizations and groups for over 20 years, listen to how Carl will help your organization grow and expand your horizon.
To have a relationship, but the three key things that I talk about when I speak of relationships is the foundation of relationship, which you've probably heard your whole life, is communication. Manage conflict capably. Manage conflict capably. You know, there's a process. There's a process for doing that.
With over 30 years in business and sales experience, Carl has been in the top 2% in sales and sales management with every company that he has been involved in.
But we all have issues and problems in our life. That's life. That's what life is. It's about overcoming problems and issues and things like that. What can I do? What kind act? What can I give? What selfless thing can I do that will help that person maybe out? And if you can do that, you'll be great in any relationship, whether it's with coworkers and being a team player.
To book Carl to speak to your organization or group, please contact Carl at 724-454-8012 or at goalsmet@hotmail.com.